Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. This is video we're going to be looking at app search. It allows you to search for apps in the Linux terminal. We can also install stuff like the application through the Linux terminal. So if we clear the screen with the clear commands, and we're going to do a man followed by apps. Now apps is an advanced package tool. It's like a command line interface there. It tells you all what it does, and you've got all the stuff here on the manual page. Now every Linux command has got a manual page. Just type man followed by the command, and it gives you up the manual page of what each command, what the command does. So if I do a app search games, now I'm going to search on the internet for Linux terminal games or games you can use for Linux. Got K games, a section of X-based games. If we go up here, we've got toys, Tetris we want to have a look at. So we do an app search Tetris. And two games have come up, Games-Tetris and VI Tetris. Now, it's highlighted in red, means it's a compressed archive. So we want to install, let's install VI Tetris. We're going to do an apt install VI Tetris. It's now going to install VI Tetris there. And we can start the game by clearing the screen, and we'll do VI Tetris. How cool is that? We are playing Tetris in the Linux terminal. And this is version 0.59.1. We'll do a one-player game. And you've even got NetPlay on this as well. So let's go down to one. Now if you wish to remove the game, we can quit this game here. Let's clear the screen. We can do an apt remove VI Tetris. And it says, do you want to remove the game? Do you want to continue? We go yes. Going to free up 163 kilobytes of disk space. There we go. If I type in VI Tetris, you see there, no such file and the directory. Now we can do, let's do an app search cow. You see there, we've got our cow say what we've had. So what we had before, cow patty, configurable talking cow. Let's do a app install cow say. There we go, it's now installed cow say. Alright, we'll do a cow say hello. There we go, got cow say now saying hello, and there you go. That's what you should do. Subscribe to this channel. You want to remove cow say, we just do app remove and cow say. And it was a quick look at app search in Linux. If you found the video of some use, know what to do, give it a thumbs up. Tells that YouTube people I'm doing a good job. If you don't like the video, yeah, that button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. I'll see you in another video. 7 threes for now.